MPCC President T.N. Hauke urges the centre not to take sports university away, instead set it up anywhere in Manipur. People, including sports lovers, take out march demanding construction of National Sports University in Yaithibi Lokon. Muslims of Yaripok object and the government's plan to formulate a uniform civil code. And villagers accuse government of not making Airangbam, Khumbong, Mamang and Khaidem Kul model villages. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangma Monica bringing you the top stories. MPCC President T.N. Hauke today urged the centre to establish the sports university anywhere in the state besides Yaithibi Lokon and not to take the university away. Speaking at the one-day political conference organized by Kaisamthong Block Congress Committee at YLL ground in Pisumthong, Ningom, Leirak in connection with the 11th Assembly election today, T.N. Hauke said the state government acquired 320 acres of land against the demand of 200 acres by the centre for construction of the sports university in Yaithibi Lokon. He, however, expressed dissatisfaction at the last-minute decline by the Union Sports Minister during his visit to the site on November 4. The MPCC President said the Congress government has been trying to develop education, power, health, water supply sectors in the state.
Manipur mapanda puthok piganu Manipur mapanda puthok ke ne yam chak patin yut pa pit na lebane ba aduda chief minister adu stuck up tore magi council of minister na pressure piman badagi emergency meeting phabda oga mantri na ada hongani haibagi step to ta na bani kari tausara haina hoi na khoi na ta na ga do bu se khoi na dum khange na khoi na pa ma pham da yo yare thamsi to bu di Manipur pan da puthok pi.
In his speech, Revenue Minister I. Hemochandra questioned the BJP's alliance with the Naga People's Front, which is backed by the NSA and IM, if it wants to protect the territorial integrity of the state. He alleged that the BJP, despite its rule in the centre for 3 years, has failed to give its word to construct the National Highway 37 Imphal-Ziribam Road in 100 days. The campaign for the Congress candidate, former Minister L. Jayanta Kumar, was attended by Nambol MLA and Loken Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo and several leaders of the Congress Party.
Delhi da mai tharaga Manipur ya koi ki chapu yanda thongi ba chak adu mungado banati Delhi da wa yam ngangaga Imphal shohol da natraga Manipur ki khungam da Manipur ki chingnung manung da madugi kanak da lakado banati kariguma BJP sina adyam na Manipur sin nungsiramagadi khongban on na thok thok lauriba ai koi ki national highway number 37 jiri lambi se Jay ahum parakado net na moina sason paina ise sidi akoi ki makada laiba lambi na tiaba sidi BRO ki makada laiba ni akoi ki state government na same ge so yadaba lambi ne ba moi same abram.
A large number of people, including sports lovers, today took out march demanding construction of National Sports University at a proposed site in Yaithibi Lokon and boycotted the people of Sora. A large number of men and women of Khongjom, Sapam, Langathel, Wangjing and Tekcham Block Road at Khongjom Bazaar boycotting people of Sora. Protesters said a few people from Sora who are not even landowners at Yaithibi Lokon are objecting the proposed sports university and accused a few groups of instigating innocent locals of Sora. During the agitation, the protesters checked every vehicle and stopped people of Sora from travelling, although other passengers were let off. Similar agitation was also taken out at Kakching Lamkhai and Kakching Bazaar areas. The locals of Kakching banned the entry of people of Sora. On the other hand, Khongjom Circle Sports and Development Organization organized a sit-in at Khongjom Bazaar Community Hall, saying that the National Sports University cannot be relocated. Later, a public meeting was also taken and many resolutions were taken. Speaking to media persons, one of the protesters said around 3,000 people, including players of Thawbal district, went to welcome the Union Sports Minister Vijay Goyal on the 4th of this month during his visit at YTB Lokon. The protesters accused BJP spokesperson R.K. Ranjan of addressing the 3,000 people as those who were against the construction of Sports University at YTB Lokon during a media show. The protesters appealed to political parties not to politicize the issue and help the construction of Sports University for the benefit of sportsperson of the state.
Tung koina lehaura taba makoigi honajabam oiba kanajabam oiba lambi se thatat biganu laibak thirega bi vote karaga su laina amada adu masigi moya adu kumar rajniti til masida sambiganu congress haiba nai biganu BJP bi haiba nai biganu tungi miron ni damakta yegaga lehauri ba praja puna magna basida hek tawtaba matam ja punsi chupagi oina BJP bu amokana nuksiba ngamoi tung koina lehaura taba makoigi honajabam oiba kanajabam oiba lambi se
Muslims of Yaripok have accused the NDA government in the center of trying to suppress the people who believed in Islam religion. Tanzim Ulama-e-Millia Yaripok today held a meeting at Purana Wali Masjid at Yaripok, Changandabi Makhalekai in Andro and criticized the NDA government's plan to implement a uniform civil code in the country. The meeting opposed the stand of the BJP government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to introduce a civil uniform code and to oppose the practice of triple talaq. The people said they will not accept the stand of the government. The meeting also accused the NDA government of politicizing the Islam religion. Secretary of Tanzim Ulama-e-Millia Alhas Maulana Yusuf Kasmi said India is proud of its secular, socialist and democratic setup. He alleged that the BJP government led by Narendra Modi has interfered in Shariat matters.
Tongan ba lejari ba satnabi asibu thadok leharaga Narendra Modi BJP ge asugumlaba sarkar asina muthal leharaga uniform civil code ama linkhat kani haibasi condemn tawbata natana masibu drama jat bija Islam tanatana drama saliba khudimagna Maki matakta condemn tawraga India ki mafam khudimakta masigi against the Zulus thokre haidera march parsat kare rally ke asa kare okoi Manipur da disatti ado okoi Manipur da rally japanatana mihan mipul langna ma barton tawbani bharo desida masa masagi democracy da lining laisonda khud thinjin bidanaba appeal tawjari.
Miscreants exploded a bomb this morning in front of a shop at Oripok Hawam Dewan Lekai on Oripok Kangchup Road in Imphal West. No one was injured in the blast. However, sources said a hand grenade exploded in front of a new shop which is yet to be opened this morning around 5, creating a hole in the ground. The shop belonged to RK Onvi Bisho Bhanu. No one has claimed responsibility for the blast. The people of the area held a sit-in against the incident. Members of Apunba Yaipa Thorang Nupi Lup Uripok Mayai Lekai, Uripok Sorbon Thingel and Uripok Khaidim Lekai Merapabi organizations staged a sit-in against the blast at Uripok Hawam Dewan Lekai. The women protesters condemned the blast in crowded places and appealed to those behind the blast to clarify.
Karamba Sangstano Karamba Yaulumna no Kangdaba Karana Akoida Tauromibase, Akoi Kayanimas, the Missimina Togadi, Kanana Daita Lobigani, Adagi, me amna Zinba walking Sanaba timing Sida, Makwena Taurise, Kitang Isa, Sing Hagadra, now Sing Hagadra, Makuju Wakan Kitang Kandamande, Karamba Sangstana Taurino, Karamba Yaulumna no Habado, Atuma Matam the Singdo Papami.
Members of OBC Morcha BJP Manipur Pradesh apprised Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment Thewar Chand Gehlot of the issue facing the people of the state during his one-day visit on November 5. General Secretary of OBC Morcha BJP Manipur Pradesh Khuraitam Lokin said they urged the Union Minister to provide scholarship to students on time. Nepra Manjor BJP Supporter Committee today organized a meeting to introduce the aspiring candidate for Kisamthong constituency. The committee introduced Wahengbam Piyananda of Nepra Manjor Lekai as the aspiring BJP candidate of Kisamthong in the 11th Assembly polls. Wahengbam Piyananda said the people can decide the qualified candidate. Drug cell Churachandpur along with women police constables early this morning searched around six searched a house of one suspect, namely Lut Hoi Kim, aged 40, wife of late Ginzamwan of Pearson Moon village. The team seized 10 gram of number 4 heroin and 713 numbers of YW tablets. A case has been registered at Churachandpur police station under Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act. One-day workshop on writing letter to the editor was held today at Seva Bharati Manipur, Nagamapal. The workshop was organized by Vishwa Samvad Kendra Manipur. Retired Joint Director DIPR A. Balkrishna Sharma, President of Vishwa Samvad Kendra Manipur A. Brajakumar Sharma and Editor-in-Chief of Imapct News Yumnam Rupachandra spoke on the workshop. A. Brajakumar Sharma says people can not only express their opinion through letters to the editor in the editorial column but also share the problems facing the people.
Sagi democracy sida di participation ujiki laingak sida akoina khalliba akoigi common man akoigi maruina Manipur gi khalliba vote prajana kari pami democracy di prajana kari pami government kari dauri haise asi kogi media kogi mass communication gi through da kogi khabar gi through da electronic media gi through da aduga kogi traditional media sumang le agumba kari gumba mayam sigi through da nakan ani mak si pau phona ba masangi adu masigi overall sidi using mass communication na lawriwa mass communication gi manungda usigi mass communication sigi manungda leirisi electronic media.
Others Medicare Services, a subsidiary branch of Others Laboratory Kangla Park, was opened today near the main gate of Jenims at Porompat. The branch will have facilities like MRI, CT scan, EEG, ECG, audiometry, spirometry, ultrasound, X-ray and an eye clinic. The branch will also open a medical training center. It will offer concession to diabetic and chronically ill patients and BPL card holders. The event was attended by Thongju MLA TH Bishwajit, consultant physician Dr. A.K. Surendra and consultant neurosurgeon Dr. W. Motilal, among others. People have alleged that URF Chinkhai Nganba Soviet group in connivance with police are involved in the arrest of people at Napetpally and the Lamlai police station. They appeal to stop such activities in the area. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Napetpally Mera Paibi Secretary L. Santi today said, following an incident during a Thabal Chomba in April, people drove away cadres of URF Chinkhai Nganba Soviet group staying at designated camp in the area. She alleged that after the incident, people are being threatened very often. Santi said this morning around 5, Yumnam Somarendro of Napetpally Mamang Lekai was picked up by a team of Imphal S commando who came in a white Verna car and a gypsy. She told the media that people rushed at Porompat police station as soon as they heard about him and took him from the station. She appealed to the authority concerned to prevent such incidents.
Masigumba thoning thogdosing dia karigumba sujina hariba khudingi Chinkhai Nganba Soviet group asina mara leitaba mioi masagi private ki nungaitaba amadagi hekta maran pisalaga phaba punbagi thabak chathariba khoigi lebak ki lengak oriba khulai paibalan mising je moina chaliba thogdo je achumba natte haina koina haijiningi leiba ngamdanabagi mawong da la kadoreba se aduna si matang da sarkar gi miyeng je athu matam da changak na ba thoning da ba thokdok mayam ama tholok pa yam se sarkar na miyeng changak ta taragadi.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Ozal Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba, kok chikpa, tang chikpa, amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozal Lipsap Group na puthok saba Ozal sinabiyo.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Villagers of Ngairangbam, Khumbom, Mamang and Khaidem Khul in Imphal West District have accused Manipur government of not undertaking any work under Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana to make these 3 villages model villages. Speaking to media persons this afternoon, President of Western Sporting Club, Ngairangbam Khundrakpam Ibomcha said the government had declared to make these villages model villages back in 2014. However, no work has been done so far. He said no basic facilities of a model village has been set up by the government in these villages. Manipur government has promised setting up of mini stadium, gym khana, library, police station, fire station, upgradation of primary health center, dam, children park, etc. He said work order was even released for the same. Ibomcha warned that if work to develop these villages are not taken up, villagers of the 3 villages will take out intense protest. The villagers also questioned the state government as to why the announcement was made if they were unable to carry out any works towards developing model villages.
ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯕꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯖꯤꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯆꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯋꯥꯀꯠꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 53 ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯇꯁ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯌꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯁꯦꯡꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯖꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯈꯕꯔꯗ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯂꯕꯗꯤ
Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization Nambol has drawn the attention of authorities to make S. Kula Women's College Nambol the only girls' college of Bishnupur district a full-fledged government college. S. Kula Women's College Nambol is the only college to get NARC A grade apart from good infrastructure. The organization said teachers of the college are engaged in research work, publication, faculty development program among others, and the college provides skill development potential courses. Wycombe Money Girls College Students Union has urged the government to convert the 36-year-old college, which is the only girls' college in Thoubal district, to a full-fledged government college. General Secretary of the Students Union M. Gitarani said the college has good infrastructure and produced toppers in the examination conducted by Manipur University. She said the students of the college won recognition in national and international level. Manipur Women Foundation celebrated its 7th Foundation Day today at Manipur Press Club. The event was attended by Lok Sabha MP Dr. T.H. Mainia and members of the foundation, among others. Speakers at the event spoke about the various measures to empower women in the state. They also expressed concern over the rise in crimes against women and children and stressed the need to jointly fight against them. Volunteers of Thangmaiban United Club TUC today repaired the potholes of the road from Nagamapal to Assembly. Vice President of the club, Laisangthim Pratap, said the potholes of the road, which is frequented by the 60 MLAs, have caused accidents and inconveniences to the people. He said the clubs in Thangmaiban have jointly repaired the roads. He thanked Thangmaiban MLA K.H. Joy Kishan for assuring his help to the clubs. Social Democratic Party of India, Manipur State, today held a protest against the killing of 8 members of Students Islamic Movement of India in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The SIMI members were killed by police after they escaped from the central jail. The protest was held at Lilong Bazaar. Chiru Union North East India, Chiru Students Union and other organizations of Chiru have condemned the murder of MS Simon. Chiru Union in a press note said the allegations leveled against MS Simon is baseless. Lamding Cherapur Homeopathic and Unani Association and Rural Youth Development Association organized one-day awareness program today on prenatal diagnostic technique at Sangai Yumpam in Thoubal district. In his speech, Chief Medical Officer Thoubal, Dr. Jayant Kumar appealed to the people to treat sons and daughters equally and to change their mindset that men are superior to women. BJP aspiring candidate from Kurai, Kuraism Ratan Kumar today organized Ningo Chakoba for the women of the constituency at his house at Ayangpali Road, organized by Kurai Kendra Development Forum. Altogether, 2,500 women from different areas in Kurai attended the Chakoba. A public rally was also organized on the theme Vote for BJP to eradicate corruption from the state. Khuraisam Ratan Kumar said it is unfortunate that many areas of Khurai are facing drinking water problem and irregular water power supply. He was hopeful that the constituency will change if BJP comes to power. Bishnupur District Congress Committee in a press release said Congress workers staged a protest on November 5 in front of Nambol Block Congress Bhavan against the detention of Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi by Delhi police. A new LPG distributor MS Nompok Sekmai JCD Indian Gramin Vitrak was inaugurated today to ensure regular supply of LPG to the people of Nompok Sekmai. DCM Joy opened the godown and showroom of the agency. Officials of IOC and people of the area attended the event. The agency will provide free LPG connection to people under BPL. Now the sports news. In the 11th Manipur State League, football matches played today at the artificial turf ground of Khomanlam Park. Neroka FC Sangakpam and YPHU Lalambung defeated their rivals. In the first match, Neroka FC Sangakpam defeated Klasa Kaino 2-1. S. Subhas of Neroka FC Sangakpam scored a goal and S. Hirojit of Klasa Kaino scored a self-goal. The lone goal of Klasa Kaino was scored by Navachandra. In the second league match of today, YPHU Lalambung defeated M. Khabam Lamkai 2-1. Nako Nambul Mapal will meet USA Khurai in the 61st match and FC Zalin Sadar Hills will meet Sagolban United in the 62nd match tomorrow at Khomanlam Park main stadium. The preliminary round selection of 6 state-level AFC Transformation Challenge completed today. 169 men and 148 women took part in the preliminary round, which began on August 6. The final round of the Transformation Challenge will be held at MFDC Auditorium on the 12th of this month.
Manipuri bodybuilding competition show India suk prize Nakoi loina Mike Paco view, Commission Nashida, Mikey Bom Deote, I kilo Tara Tarazo, I am the winner. I kilo Mana Tarazo, I am the winner. Loina Mike Paci Commission, Mikey Ba Hyper, Committee of the Yoke, no part of the Peterson.
Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. MPCC President T.N. Haukeb urges the centre not to take Sports University away, instead set it up anywhere in Manipur. People, including sports lovers, took out march demanding construction of National Sports University in YTB Lokon. Muslims of Yaripok object NDA government's plan to formulate a uniform civil code. And villagers accuse government of not making Airangbam, Kumbong Mamang and Kaidem Kul modern village.